Hello, I'm Arvin Cedrick Gutierrez of LIKHA FabLab, and I'm back again with some more CNC milling video tutorial.
For this week, I will teach you how to use the CNC milling machine and the software VCarve Pro. Now let's open the software. We have to create a new file and set the job size. For X, let's have 24 inches, Y is 18 inches, and thickness of 0.73 inch. The job size depends on the workpiece. Click OK. For now, I will be using a file coming from our client. That is a part of a rig. I will paste it here. Let's take it to the center. Now I will ungroup it so that I can easily drag it part by part. Click the toolpath tab and pin it. Click this feature for us to have this view. The right side will show the simulation. I will click this button, the VCarve or engraving toolpath, for the letters and logo. Select the details you want to be engraved. As you can see, the plot depth is set on 0.3 inch. The tool is 60-degree pivot. If you remember, I showed it on the last video. Let me show you this. Here we can see the different parameters. I set the speed in 11,000 RPM. You can change the RPM depending on the bit and the class of the materials you will be using. Now we can see the output for engraving. Next is the hole. Click profile toolpath, but you can also use the drill toolpath. Click this and all of the holes. I set the cut depth in 0.78 inch to be sure that the tool bit will pass on the wood. Here I use 1/4 inch to upcut tool bit. The difference is the RPM. I only set it to 10,000 RPM. Then set the pass depth in 5. Pass depth is done for the number of time the tool bit will travel to acquire the 0.78 depth. And we must add tabs for this and then click calculate. Now you can see the output. I will click again the profile toolpath, then select this part here and then make it 5 pass. Make it outside. Then add tabs. The tabs are the small portion of the wood or metal that will not be cut by the tool bit and make the output still connected. Then also click here. So let's calculate. This will be the final output. Probably. Then lastly, we must save the toolpath. Click here. Let's have 33 minutes. I will save first the VCarve toolpath. It must be mm. Click save. Then the both of profile toolpath, since they are the same tool bit will be used. to rename. Profile thing. Click save. So now I will input it to the computer. So let's take a look as I prepare.